everyone, this is Yucee Food Empire. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the family. In today's video, we are going to be making Nigerian fried rice. Fried rice is an easy recipe that gets ready within 30 minutes and tastes great. So let's get started. I will start by washing the rice. I'm going to wash severally until the water runs clear. This is to prevent the rice from getting sticky consistency easily. I washed it for about 4 to 5 times. So if you want your rice grains to be well separated, then consider rinsing it very well as a good option. I'm pouring a half cup of oil in a pot and I allow it to heat up. I'll go in with the onions and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the curry, seasoning cubes and salt and fry for some more because you want the flavor of the onion, curry and seasoning cubes to be released in the oil. Next is the rice, and I'll go ahead to toast it. Toasting the rice before boiling it will make it easy for the rice to absorb the flavor from the onion, curry and seasoning cubes, thereby adding another level of flavor to the rice. It is now well toasted and I'll go in with my stock. It's a basic rule to substitute water with stock when making a fried rice. And make sure the water is enough to cook the rice till it tenders. But don't allow it to be too soft because it will still be cooked further. It's now perfect. I'm adding a little soy sauce for that classic color. You know what I mean, right? In another pot, I'm adding about 4 spoons of oil and I'll allow it to get hot. We'll go in with the shrimps. I had already marinated the shrimps with ginger and garlic powder and a little sprinkle of salt. I'll allow to sit in here for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat before flipping it over to the other side. Next is to stir fry our shredded beef, and I marinated it for about 30 minutes with ginger, garlic, pepper, salt and soy sauce. You know it's ready to be taken off the heat when the pink color is gone. Now time to make the fried rice. Is about 3 spoons of vegetable oil in the pot. Add the ginger and garlic paste. Fry for a minute. Add the veggies, the rice, and stir until everything is well combined. It's better to fry in batches if your pot or pan is not wide enough. And finally, the meat and the shrimps. Stir fry for about 2 minutes and take it off the heat immediately. Now our fried rice is ready to be served. We've come to the end of today's video. Please like, share and subscribe until I come your way again on Sunday. Bye.